Yes, massive big up and respect, no joke, no doubt. So we are currently in St. Mary. Well, it took us a hard way to get here, but we are finally at the Spanish Bridge, which is the old Spanish Bridge. A massive, it's not a very big place, but it's an exciting place. Right now, today is a Sunday, and I tell us that the people them out in them numbers, bro. I've never seen a walkthrough video of what the place really look like. So today I decided I'm going to do a walkthrough of old Spanish Bridge. So massive, believe me, forward for the fun. You understand? I'm not joking. Look on the place. The place is nice. People out. So we actually just up on the front of the road, and that is the river and the bridge center cameras in. And we're gonna walk right around there so you can see all of the festivities and walk on. You know, me have to come out of the nice to do the intro because I play music, I play and things. So if you see me change the music and the audio, don't cost me the copyright. See? So massive, you can do a bunch of things. Even my lazy river up here, the water is super beautiful, and the rope swing is actually the #1 seller. So people swing from the bridge and jump in the water, and it's an epic experience. So this is where's on the outskirts, which is the road outside of the river. So this is it, and as I showed you before, we forward from that direction. See, the road not good. Let me tell you that from now, the road not good, but it's drivable. You see, so them you can see the road are prepared for fix, so you can't complain right now. But it's beautiful. Look what I go on.